Oh, just rolling out of the bed. Day two with the little chin strap. I don't know if I'm noticing any kind of a difference, although last night I put it on and it was so tight, I looked like a chipmunk. I was just. So I had to loosen the little fucker. I thought I was cutting the circulation off to my head. Oh my God. Oh, oh. So let me take this thing off. I've started Kate, and she's percolating back there. Of course, I name all of my appliances. I don't know how you guys do things around your house, but here at home, oh. Hmm. Of course, now it's Velcro to my hair. I've got to be careful. I don't want to lose any more hair. Oh, it's like Velcroed really tight to my hair. Oh, son of a bitch. Oh, ooh. I mean, this stuff really grabs onto your hair. Oh, that's not cute. Oh, that's not cute at all. Look at all the hair it ripped out of my head. Oh, not happy with that. I'm going to have to find something some way around that part of it. That part right there. Oh my God, look at this. A whole patch of hair here. Well, let me complain to the manufacturers over at Walmart. Oh, that's not cute. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And of course, I roll out of bed. I start talking. Of course, I'm not really talking to myself. I'm talking to you guys. Well, maybe I am talking to myself, but Bo hears me talking. And of course, he comes out of the bedroom. He thinks somebody's here. And he looks around the room and he says, Damn, my mother is crazy as can be. That bitch is just talking to herself. Oh, oh that feels so good. Oh, oh. Okay, there we go. And so let me run a little wipey over my face. I haven't had my morning cup of coffee, nor have I brushed my teeth yet because I'm waiting for my morning cup of coffee. Then I brush my teeth. Then I go take a shower. I've got a little regiment that I do. And, well, actually, it's coffee, breakfast, walk Bo, then brush my teeth, then shower. And then I have some appointments I've got to take care of today. But I felt like yesterday was a very, very productive day for me because I got a lot done around the house and I was able to do an interview during Hot Topics with my dear friend Cindy. And I edited that video and reposted it, you know. So if you see the live event, the live event is going to differ from the edited event that I post online. And so I'm hoping that she appreciates all of that. There we go. Now my skin feels totally detoxified. Of course, I go to bed with a night cream on my face, but I roll around. I toss and turn so much in my sleep. It's just, eventually I'm going to get me one of those beds, those the reclining kind of bed, you know. It looks like a hospital bed. So that I can, force myself to just lay flat on my back, because I think the way that I roll over and I smush my face and everything like that, it's not helping. I wake up with pillow wrinkle all over my face, and you know and sometimes like the skin around my eye is so sensitive that if I smush it most of the night, when I wake up I've got this like hanging bag over the top of my eyelid, and all kinds of madness that I don't care for. So you know there you go. There's This is me first thing in the morning, which doesn't look too different from me if you ever run into me in public, because I don't usually wear a lot of makeup. But because I'm trying to develop a YouTube persona, and I'm on Facebook all the time, some of that's going to change a little bit. There's going to be some makeup going on, and you know, some of that, there, things like that there. There we go. Oh, all righty. And so, and I was able to also yesterday, I reconfigured the YouTube channel. The YouTube channel is taking on a new look here, which is really fantastic. I'm really proud of what I've done there. I have, I think I've created 7 playlists. Let's see. There's 7 playlists. So I'll name them off to you. I have a playlist called Recovery, and I reformulated one of my videos, um, because I'm one of these people that when I got clean and sober, so I put down the pipe, the straw, the syringe, and I immediately picked up the fork, and I just started packing on the way. And it isn't that I just pick up the fork. So sometimes I pick up the credit card, I pick up all kinds of other things, and I think Alejandra must be here because Bo is just going crazy, and he is opening up. Yeah, Alejandra has just arrived. Oh, okay. Yes, get in the house. Come here. And I have told you about moving my room divider. Yeah. Good morning. Yes, I'm live. You can say hello. There's nobody on here. It's just there. There she is. Oh! I saw your boyfriend talking to a hooker on Sepulveda Boulevard. She was wearing a mini skirt, this yellow and black bumblebee looking mini skirt. No, was that you? Oh my God! What? I've never seen you in a mini skirt. Saturday, that was you. You look so cute. Oh my God! I've never seen you dressed that way. It was hot that day, but still, Sepulveda Boulevard, you should not dress that way on Sepulveda. Why were people beeping at you? You're talking to a guy, and go get home. Oh God, that's so funny. I did it first. I thought to myself, oh, wait until I call her and tell her. And then I looked and I said, oh my God, is that Alejandra? That was the first thing I thought. I said, oh my God, is that Alejandra? I said, holy shit, look at her. Were you wearing makeup? You weren't? We're going to have to start getting her to wear makeup. I know you are, but no. Makeup is there's a whole different nuance to makeup. So, anyway, we'll get into that later. That's not for public consumption. Back to the playlist so I reconfigured the YouTube channel, and I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 7 playlists now, and they're titled Recovery, Hot Topics, Beauty and Skincare, Live Conversations, which this will later on go on to the Live Conversations playlist, recipes, the Bougie Duchess Bigger Bites. So if this is longer than 10 minutes, it will hit the Bigger Bites section. And the Bougie Duchess Rough Cuts. Now I'm going to stop posting things to Rough Cuts because Rough Cuts was the playlist that has my growing stages and the growing pains that I was going through when initially 4 weeks ago, when I started the YouTube channel, me trying to find myself and my persona, and now, like, I feel like now I'm in more of a developmental stage. Okay. And so I'm in a developmental stage, and I'm fixing things up. I'm being a little bit more mindful of placement, studio, that kind of that kind that stuff. That stuff there. So anyway, there you have it. I also yesterday spent oh my God, an incredible amount of time editing. I would say I spent probably about a good 10 hours editing and uploaded 2 new videos. One is an old video that dealt with step 1, but then I merged it with the situation with my eating disorder and my obesity, and talking about that particular conversation. So I'm going to be reposting that here to Facebook and for you guys to view, and so check that out. Kate, is my coffee ready yet? Let me go check. I hear it percolating back there. No, not ready yet. But anyway, so in the meantime, that's what I'm going to be doing, and I'm going to take care of some of my appointments. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will try and check in with you later today. So, bye-bye, my little duchies.